We are grateful. We were praying this morning the whole day so that they can be out. Our prayers has been heard. As you can see, they are going. We've bought the food for them to eat it. Then after we finish, we are going back home and prepare the program tomorrow together with Mr. Matikizela.